Accompanying this male-born couple is cool to play games using hospital facilities. A woman is surprised to see her partner's behavior. The woman was about to give birth to the child. The moment of giving birth is a thrilling moment. Women who are about to give birth usually need to be calmed so they don't panic or worry. But this viral woman did not feel it. Her partner took her video game to the hospital just as the woman was about to give birth. The moment was shared on his TikTok account at Anxiety Couple. In the video, the woman is seen lying in a hospital bed, while his partner stood staring at the game screen. He wears a headset so the sound doesn't interfere. The woman also asked the man why he brought the Xbox. The man also promised to only finish one game. Many thought the man did not know where to play the game. Not a few were surprised to see the behavior of the man. Can't understand what if the doctor comes or the woman is in pain when the baby is about to be born. Surely the woman would feel embarrassed if a medical team entered the room.